Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. So today we are going to learn about the Magento 2 module limitations. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's see what is the describe module limitation is. So whenever we have a module registration, right, it is standalone. Sometimes what we did, like one module is dependent on the other module. So when one module is depend on the other module, what it happens, whether one module is uninstalled, could be the another module would be uninstalled if there is a dependency. So we are going to look into that, how to describe module limitations. So first one, if it is disabled, the module is not functional, that we know that. If it is standalone module, if it is disabled, it is not gonna be used. But keep in mind, disabling a module does not automatically remove its tables or entries from the databases, right? So it's just disable its functionality, not the tables, not into the database, right? Next, if you're having a trouble with the modules not being enabled, right? So in that case, you have to check the required files are present and the module is enabled by using that command. Okay, or you can check the status which modules are enabled, or whether it's to be a disabled state or not. One module is responsible only for one feature, or might be it is linked to the another module also. Okay, module dependencies on other modules must be declared explicitly. Excluding or disabling a module should not disable the another module, that I already told you. Like if you're disabling a module or removing such kind of code, doesn't mean that you are disabling the another module. Okay, so these are the limitations of a module. Whenever you are creating a module, that means that should be a standalone. If it is dependent, then you need to work on it, right? If it is, if then that should be, if then you can add the command like I want to disable. If it is like interconnected, then you can use this command to disable both the modules. That will be easy for you, right? So this is the basic limitations of the module that that we have discussed. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, we are going to learn about the areas in Magento 2, right? So be with me. Have a great day.